When it comes to help desk software, Intercom and Zendesk are two of the most well-known platforms out there. But which one truly stands out? In this video, we'll dive into both and break down their features, pros, and cons so you can make the right choice. Stick around because I'll also share a surprising alternative that could actually be better for your business needs, especially if you're looking for something more streamlined and affordable. First, let's start with Intercom. Intercom has become a favorite for businesses that prioritize live chat and customer engagement. It's designed to be more of an all-in-one solution, with messaging, marketing, and support all bundled together. It's user-friendly and its automation tools are pretty solid, allowing you to set up triggers, workflows, and personalized messages. But while it's great for engaging customers and providing fast responses, it might feel a bit overwhelming for companies that need more traditional support features like ticketing and reporting. Next, let's talk about Zendesk. Zendesk is one of the pioneers in the help desk industry and is often seen as the go-to choice for businesses that need robust, customizable ticketing systems. Zendesk's strength lies in its scalability. It can grow with your business. The platform offers a wide range of tools, including email, chat, and phone support, along with advanced reporting and analytics. But while Zendesk's features are impressive, it can also get a bit complex for smaller teams or those who don't need the full breadth of tools Zendesk provides. Plus, some users have mentioned that the interface can be a bit clunky. The third thing to consider is pricing. Intercom tends to be on the pricier side, especially for smaller businesses or startups. The cost can quickly ramp up as you add more features, which might not be the best for businesses on a tight budget. Zendesk, on the other hand, offers more affordable plans, but once again, it's a matter of what you need. You might end up paying for features you'll never use, which can make the pricing feel a bit misleading for some users. The fourth thing to look at is integrations. Intercom has a lot of native integrations with tools like Slack, Salesforce, and Shopify, which is great for businesses that need to connect their help desk with their existing tech stack. Zendesk also offers a wide range of integrations, but in some cases, these require more technical setup or may be limited depending on your plan. Now, while both of these platforms are excellent in their own ways, they also have their weaknesses. Intercom might be too much for businesses that are only looking for a basic support system, while Zendesk can be a bit too complex and expensive for smaller operations. So, if you're looking for a better, more affordable solution that offers simplicity without sacrificing power, then I highly recommend checking out the alternative I'm going to mention next. After trying both Intercom and Zendesk myself, I found a better solution, one that's more intuitive, cost-effective, and perfect for companies that want a no-fuss help desk experience. If you're tired of the overwhelming features and high costs of the other platforms, click the first link in the description below to take advantage of an exclusive free trial that's only available to our viewers. This will help you get started with the right tools for your business, and trust me, you won't regret it. In the end, both Intercom and Zendesk are solid platforms, but if you're looking for something that truly aligns with your needs, give the alternative a try. You'll see a significant difference, and it's backed by a risk-free trial so you can see for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check that first link for the best deal.